Hey everybody, this is going to be a review of the Apple Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So I've already taken this out of the box and paired it with my MacBook Pro. It was fairly easy to do. Turn on the you turn on the keyboard, turn on your Bluetooth, and basically what you do is pair it. Go through the settings, you type in a couple of numbers to pair it up, but fairly simple. So I have my MacBook Pro connected to an external monitor, and as far as the shape and the design go, it looks as many other Apple products will look with that aluminum design. It is extremely thin, so it doesn't take much room on your desk at all. You flip it around, it's going to have the white backing, and it does take two AA batteries to power, so not too much of battery consumption. I'm not positive about how long each charge lasts. So now that I have it hooked up, alright, we will bring my cursor right here onto the screen, and we're going to go ahead and start typing. So pretty quick and responsive from the keyboard. Enter, all the letters work and everything, and all of the volume controls work as well, as you can see right there. So this is $69 and well worth it if you are looking for a nice look and a great product. I will put a description to the link to Amazon. It's going to be free shipping from Amazon. I'll put the link down there. Like this video if you enjoyed this, or subscribe. I'll have a lot more videos like this. Thank you.